The breakeven function. The breakeven function moves the stop-loss to the position's opening price when the price reaches a set distance. You can use the profit parameter to set an offset for the stop-loss relative to the position's opening price. The distance and profit parameters are measured from the position's opening price in the direction of the position's profit. You can set an unlimited number of levels for the breakeven function, each of which moves the stop-loss only toward profit and triggers only once. If needed, the breakeven function can move a virtual stop-loss. The app saves and applies the breakeven feature settings for each order separately, which allows you to set different breakeven settings for orders at the same time. Enable the breakeven feature for only some orders. Edit the breakeven feature for one order without affecting the breakeven settings of other orders. To enable the breakeven feature for each new order or position, open the breakeven panel and enter the required settings. Please note that the settings in this panel only apply to new orders at the time they are opened. Changes in this panel do not affect existing orders and positions. If you want to apply these settings to existing orders and positions, follow these steps. Select the orders and positions to which you want to apply these settings, and click the Apply button. If you need to change the settings for a specific order or position, go to the Order Management panel and edit the settings on the Breakeven tab. The app can work with all terminal symbols at the same time, and if you use different break-even settings for each symbol, you can turn on Multicurrency mode, which will allow you to save settings for each symbol separately. To enable this mode, go to the Breakeven tab in the settings and check the Multicurrency mode box. When Multicurrency mode is on, an extra checkbox labeled Only For will appear on the panel. Use this checkbox if you want to apply the current break-even setting only to the current symbol. You can set the values for the distance and profit parameters in points, as a percentage of the take profit, as a percentage of the stop loss, or in price. If you choose the unit percentage of the take profit or stop loss level, keep in mind that distance will be calculated from the current stop loss and take profit positions. So, if you or any function change the stop loss or take profit of an open order, the calculated levels will also change. To avoid this, you can enable the convert price, percentage of take profit, and percentage of stop loss to points mode in the settings. For example, for distance, they set the unit of measurement as % of the stop loss. And if the conversion parameter is enabled, the app will automatically convert the values from percentages into points when opening an order and assigning it the breakeven function. This way, the new order will have the breakeven function with distance expressed in points, which ensures that the breakeven function is independent of the order's stop loss price.